Good morning, my dear students. Let's start the today's class. Today our topic is prime numbers. This is actually from the page number 10, but very less questions about the prime number. So we learn more about the prime numbers. I don't know the concept, what is prime number, what are the main things we have to learn here, and different questions. Okay. So this is not from the book. This is all our examples, different types of what is prime number. First of all, a prime number has exactly two different factors. A prime number exactly two different factors. Must be two different factors. That is what itself and one. Example like 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is what? 3. That means 3 is a one factor and 1 is a one factor. Now, note 1 is not a prime number. Why 1 is not a prime number? Because 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. So 1 repeated two times or not? Because it said that itself and 1, two different factors, but here is the whole same factor. So same factor is not possible. So 1 is not a prime number. Next, all prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. All prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. So example here is what? 2, because 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 only, is not possible with any other table. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 only. That means prime numbers are multiplied by itself and 1, multiplied by itself and 1. Remember like this way. Okay, like 4 example. So 4 is what? 4 ones are 4, but 4 is in the 2 table also. 2 twos are 4, so 4 not a prime number. Next is 6. 6 is what? 6 ones are 6 we can write, 2 threes are we can write, 3 twos are we can write. That means the prime number should be in the same table. That means itself and 1 only. Okay. Next, so list all the prime numbers between 20 and 40. List all the prime numbers between 20 and 40. So what are the prime numbers between 20 and 40? So 21 not a, checks 21 not a prime number. Why? Because this is in the 3 table and 7 table. No. 22 not possible, because 22 is the even number, means 2 table possible and 11 table also. So 23 is the prime number, because 23 not possible with any other table. Next, 24 not possible, 25 not possible. Why? Because it is in the 5 table. 26 again even numbers, because I said that all the prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. Okay, so no need to check even number at even. So 26 not possible, 27 not possible, because in the 3 table. Then again 29, yes, prime number. Then 31, 37. That means between 20 to 40 only 23, 29, 30 and 37 only, because 32 even, 33 with the 3 table, 34 even number, 35 possibly the 5 table, 36 even number, 37 is the prime number, 38 even number, 39 possible with the 3 table, because 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Like example, check it, 39, the 3 table possible, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, so not possible. Okay, now number 2 example, identify the prime numbers from the clues. That means you have to understand the clues and you have to answer me. It is less than 40. It is less than 40. The sum of the digits is 11. The sum of the digits is 11. So the answer is 29. Why? Because 2 plus 9 is what? 11. So less than 40 you can check from the back. Okay, otherwise you can check a little bit big number, anything, right or no. When you add, it should be like the prime numbers. If you check it here, 17 and 19 all prime. What? 1 plus 7 is what? 8. 1 plus 9 is what? 10. So you can check with the more than 10, 20 only. So more than 20 we have 23 and 29. 23 when you add 5, 29 when you add 11. Okay, next, it is between 50 and 70. It is between 50 and 70. The sum of its digits is 13. So if you don't know, you can just write the prime numbers between 50 and 70. Okay, 51 not possible. Why? Because it's in the 3 table. Okay, 52 not possible, 53 is the prime number. Okay, 55 not, 56 no, 57 no, because 57 also possible the 3 table, 58 no, 59 yes, 59 is the prime number, 60 no, 61 is the prime number, 62 no, 63 not, 64 no, 65 not, 66 no, 67 also a prime number, right? 69 not possible. So these are the prime numbers between 50 and 70. So check it, 5 plus 3 is 8 not possible, 5 plus 9 is 14 not possible, 6 plus 1 is how much? 7 not possible, 6 plus 7 is 13. So answer is 67. Like this you have to check it. So first of all you have to write the prime numbers between 50 and 60. Then if you check by adding. Okay, next one. What is the next one? Complete these number sentences by a prime number in a box. Only prime number. Okay, like simple, remember, you can remember like this way also. 2 twos are 4, 4 5s are 20, all are prime numbers. 2 threes are 6, so 6, if you don't know 13, just divide 78 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6, here is the 1, and here is the 8. So 6 3 is a 18. So what is the remaining? 13. Next to here is the 10. 0 means whenever you want plus 0, every time you can take it 2 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied, like here also 0 or not. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, 10 to the 20. You can do it like this way. Repeat number, no problem. So 2 5 is 10, 10 11 is 110. Okay. Next one, identify the prime numbers represent like boxes, right? And this is 121. 121, which number square? Square means you know that 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 16, like this way. So 11 to 11 is 121. Now 30. So 30 is what? 13 plus 17 is 30. 13 plus 17 is 30, right or no? 13 plus 17. So both are prime numbers and the total is 30. And here is 29. So 2 square how much? 4. 5 square how much? 25. So 4 plus 25 is 29. That means should be right at prime numbers. Like here 58 is the answer. So 7 square how much? 49. 7 is the prime number. 3 square how much? 9. So 49 plus 9 is 58. And this is your homework. Okay, identify the prime numbers. This is your homework. I hope you understand the today's class. If you have any more questions, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.